Okay, hey there. Today we're going to look at how to play war games on OverTheWire.org. Okay, so OverTheWire.org, what we have here is the site where you play games. Like they have several games over there that you play, and then as you play, you learn how to use the Linux command line interface here. So that's basically just you play games. It's not really fun games as in the normal type of games. Like the whole game takes place on the command line. So yeah, you play those games and then yeah, you get to know the command line. So for the first game, level zero bandits, that's the recommended first level for beginners like you and I. Yeah, so that's it. So we'll be using SSH to start playing the games actually. So this is the syntax for using SSH. Yeah, this is the syntax for using SSH. You type in SSH first to activate it. Type in the username at bandit.labs over the wire.org -p, and then you put in the port number. So that's just it. This are the credentials and everything. So let's get into it. I'm using git bash for this since commands won't really work on cmd as it should. Like the Linux commands don't really work on CMD as they should. So I'm using git bash for this. Git bash. It comes pre-installed with git. Yeah, git. I'll just put the link down in the description. So to play the bandits, yeah, bandit zero. According to the syntax that I've written on here, you type in SSH username, which is bandit zero because you're on level zero. Bandit zero at bandit.labs.over y.o -p 2220, which is the port number. Then the password is 0, so you just type this in, press enter, you load up. Then you type in the password, which is bandit 0. The password will actually show up, but it's being typed, so you have to be very careful when typing it actually. So you type in the password, you press enter, and then that's it, you're in. So the password for level 1, yeah, the password to access level 1, that's from level 0 to level 1. It's on the next page. So yeah, the password for the next level is stored in a file called readme located in the home directory. So I'm just going to, for the sake of the video, I'm just going to do the level 1 and then get the password for level 1. And just get the password for level 1 from level 0 and then move on from there. So to see the directories, to see the subdirectories and files in the current directory, type ls. So the file is located in readme. To open the readme file, we use the cat command, cat readme. Then that's it. That's the password for level 1. So you copy this, then you exit. Exit, then you go on, move on to level 1 to level 2. SSH bandit 1 because we're not at level 1. Bandit 2220. That's the port number. So you press enter. The interface comes for you to enter the password. Since I can't type out the password, I'm just going to paste it because I've already copied it. Or you can just copy it again from here, but just take note that the password won't show up, but it's there. You just can't see it as there. So you press enter. I already pasted it, so press enter. And that's just it. That's level 2. So now to see the files located at level 2, type ls and dash. So that's like this dash file name. Yeah, the password for the next level is located in a file called dash located in the home directory. This is dashed file name. So there's a special way of doing this. Since I've already done this, I can just say cat dot forward slash dash, and that's the password for level 3. And so that's just a dash. basically an introduction to the over the wire interface. I hope you enjoyed this video.